Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Students Live. Let's proceeding our chapter Cell. Today I am going to tell difference between plant cell and animal cell, and at last we see the diagram to differentiate it easily. Now, as we know, cells are the basic unit of a living organisms, and it poses life processes. So cells, as we see that cells are differentiated into eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell. So today we have to learn about the eukaryotic cell, which is divided into major two parts: animal cell and plant cell. Animal cell and plant cell both share common features but have some dissimilarities or differences also. Now we have to see those differences between animal cell and plant cell. Now let's see the difference between animal cell and plant cell. Animal cell are generally small in size, while plant cells are generally large in size. Cell wall is absent in animal cell, but cell wall is present in plant cell, and this is the major difference between animal cell and plant cell. Plastids are absent in animal cell, while plastids are present in plant cells. Now the next point is vacuole in animal cells are many in small size, while in plant cell most mature plant cell have a permanent and large central vacuole. The other point is animal cell have a single highly complex Golgi body, while in plant cell they have many simpler units of Golgi bodies, and that simpler unit of Golgi bodies is called as dictyosomes. Now let's see the difference between animal cell and plant cell with the help of diagram. First of all, we see the outer membrane. In animal cell, plasma membrane is present, while in plant cell, cell wall and plasma membrane, two membranes are present. This is the major difference between plant cell and animal cell, that in animal cell, cell wall is absent, while in plant cell, cell wall is present. Now let's move on the nucleus part. The nucleus is same as a nuclear membrane is present. Nuclear membrane is present surrounding the nucleus. In plant cell also, nuclear envelope or nuclear membrane is present outside the nucleus. Nucleoplasm is present in this nuclear envelope. In plant cell also nucleoplasm is present. There are many similarities that have plant cell and animal cell, but some dissimilarities also there, like chloroplast is present in plant cell, but in animal cell not any chloroplast is present. In animal cell, centriole is present, while in plant cell no any centriole is present. Ribosome is present in both cells. Cytoplasm is also present, and SER, RER, vacuole, Golgi bodies, these are also present between both animal cell and plant cell. So this is the diagrammatic difference between animal cell and plant cell. I hope that you all clear with the difference between plant cell and animal cell, as I told you in points as well as in diagram also. So thank you for watching this video. If you want such more videos, please comment, like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.